New Year na. Same routine pa rin ba? Kung working professional ka at pakiramdam mo, oras na para mag-level up, pakinggan mo ito. Hindi lang ito tungkol sa visa, hindi lang sa plane ticket. This is the first step sa pagbuo ng future abroad. One of our trusted partners in Canada, Niagara College, offers affordable career-focused programs with hands-on training, co-op experience, and skills employers actually look for. From nursing and engineering, psychology, hospitality, and culinary, these programs are built for people who want clarity, not trial and error. 2026 doesn't have to be another someday. This is the year you study, work, and move forward with intention. Join our free orientation on January 10, 2026, 1 p.m. at Laxen Hotel, Quezon City. Registration link is in the caption.